Hi friends, today I'll come with one new interested project. The project name is like farmer rental application. So farmer rental application means in this application, farmer can take a rent like a vehicles, any farmer or farmer related vehicles things, and farmer can buy the fertilizers in this application. So I hope so this application is very useful for the farmer people, so that when I am clicking this my farmer rental application, so I'll get the three modules like admin, distributor and farmer. Okay, in this application we have the three modules: admin, distributor and farmer. So admin, here the admin act like a owner of this application for maintaining the all the people, all the content of this application. We require some administrator, that some authority person, that person we call like in this application administrator. So distributor, here the distributor means those who have their own vehicles to give for the rent, those peoples we call like a distributor. Example, I have my own vehicle like a tractor, I need to give the tractor for a rent. So but I don't have my business through manually, so that I'm using this application. By using this application, I'll upload on my vehicle details in this application, so that vehicle details can visible for all the those who are using this application. Those people can visible my tractor details. If they want my tractor, they can put request in this. It's like that. If any people have their own vehicles, if they want to give for a rent, and if anyone having the fertilizers to sell something for the farmers, so the we can upload in this farm, in this application. Those peoples we call it like in this distributors. Okay, so next farmers, those who are book for the book rent for the book a vehicle for the rent, and those who are booking those who are trying to book fertilizers in this application, those who are using our application, so that people we call like a farmer. Okay, so now I go for the administrator. So when I'm clicking this administrator application, so I'll get a one login page. Okay, so admin login here. So for the login of, they are asking username and password. So this username and password knows only the authority person. The username password can't know all the people. Why? We are not giving here registration option for the administrator also. So why? Because of we are not giving registration option means, so like in if I put registration option for the administrator, everyone can register in this application like admin. They act like administrator. They can, after act like administrator, they can use like all the user details. They can use all the render application booking details. So to overcome that problem in this application, we are not providing the register option for the administrator. So that, and not only the this application, in all the application in real time world, for every application, for every organization, every company, they have only the one authority. So okay, so based on that authority, based on the authority, they will handle everything. Okay, so here also we have only one authority, and the authority person is the administrator. For login of this application, so they give some, I try to log in with some unknown username and password. Login, it's showing like, okay fine, it's showing like invalid login details. So if I'm giving username admin and password, if the enter details both are correct, then only admin enter into the home page. After entering to the admin home page, you can swipe tap to left. After tap to left, you will get some menu like verify distributors, verify farmers, add category and logout. Okay, admin here do some operation. Like the first operation, all the verify distributors. Okay, some of the peoples act like distributors in this application. Those peoples, they are rarely have their own vehicles in there. So we admin need to verify those peoples are wrong, valid people or not. So here, based on the those registered details, admin can verify here. So as the same like verify farmer also, after registration, where distributor and farmer, they don't have the permission to log in their application. So up to they'll wait for admin activation. If the admin activated to the distributor and farmer, then only farmer and distributor have the permission into the login their application. So now last operation is a category. Okay, here category means our application is former rental application. So which things we need to rent, which things we need to give the rent to the farmers. So like vehicles, fertilizers, and we have any number of things, or those for the cultivating things, all the we can give the rents for like that. Which type of things we need to give to the rent to the farmers, that categories we need to add here, like vehicles example. So in this application, in this application, permission has the, so vehicle, and then fertilizers. So like that we have a number of categories we can add in this our application. After logout, so like distributors. Okay, so when I'm clicking the distributor option, I get the login page. So I'm not yet registered in, I don't have any account in this application, so that I'll go for the new distributor registered here. If you have already account in this application, directly go with login page. So I'm not yet registered in this application, so that reason I'll go for the new registration, register here. So after clicking that new register option, I'll get one registration page. In that they are asking some normal details like name, password, phone number, email and address. Name and password, phone number, email and address. So registration success. So while clicking the registration button, so in background, this application will check if the given details is already exist or not. If the details are exist, it's showing pop-up like details already exist. So if the details are not exist, the details will be stored in database, and then it will show the pop-up like details are registration success. After registration, so I'm trying to log in with my registration details, like registered details. Submit showing like login details. I entered my correct registered details, but still I'm getting invalid login details. So why I'm getting like this? Still this distributor not activated from the administrator, so still he will wait for the admin activation. So now I'm same, like I'll go for the former also. So I'm act like a former now for the registration, like name Venu and password and phone number, qualification like 10th, sorry, address. So register success. These two peoples need to verify it from the administrator. So now I go for the admin module and admin. After logging to the admin homepage, so now I go for verify distributor. Here I'll get the verify distributor register details. If you want to verify the distributor, you can click on verify. If you want to reject the distributor details, you can click on the register. So I need to verify the strongly, like when I am clicking the verified, the status will be verified. Same like a former, still the status is pending. He is on waiting stage. Like when I am clicking the verify, the status will be verified now. Okay, now distributor have the permissions. So we are without adding any rental vehicles and any fertilizers, we do, if farmer cannot able to buy the all the details, right? So that reason first I am logging with the distributor. After login, enter into the home page, tap to left and post rent. So when I am clicking the post rent, like a rent title, tractor, I am giving like bike, model R13, cost per hour. Okay, I'm giving like 100. Rent per hour or day, a month or year. I'm giving rent per hour. Select category. That this type of category is a vehicle or something. So I'm giving like vehicle. Choose image, your post image. So I don't have any vehicle details, so that is I'm selecting one random pick. Where the bike is available, so we need to give that latitude and longitude, that bike rental position. This latitude longitude available in your Google Maps. You can select any on any place. So while clicking that place, you will get the latitude longitude in the URL. So 17.39.30.807. This is the latitude, and I'll go for longitude 78.48655.96. Click on upload. The post is uploading now. So post added success. We can add the fertilizers, like fertilizer name like urea. I'm giving quantity like 58. Enter cost of per 1 urea, like I'm giving like 250. Enter n number of delivers number of days to you delivered. For example, today I booked the fertilizer for fertilizers, so it will deliver like 3 or 4 days or 7 days. We need to give that n number of delivery days, like I'm giving the 2 days. Submit. Fertilizer are success. So now view fertilizers booking. Still no one user booked fertilizers, so reason still we are getting empty. Same like no one booked the bike details, or reason we are getting empty. So now I go for logout. Next, farmers. Submit. So it's invalid login details. View post, like vehicle name. When I am clicking this vehicle name, so I'll get the pick details and title, model, rent per hour, cost is 100. If you want to view on map, click on map. We can show the bike location where it is. The bike location located in this place. That is a bike name. So if you want to book this bike, click on book. So booking success. You can view fertilizers also. If you want this fertilizer, you can click on book. So fertilizer booking success. When I am clicking the my view fertilizers booking, so delivered days in 2 days. View post booking. Okay, so this booking need to accepted by the distributor. After accepting the only, they have the option like pay the amount, like view fertilizers booking. If this requested fertilizer is available in their shop, they can accept. So then they have the option enable like book pay. So accepted. Now farmer can pay the amount of booking. So view fertilizers booking. Look, so before that I don't have a button like a pay. So when the distributor accept that booking request, then only after accepting only farmer can have the option like pay. When I am clicking the pay, like n number of quantities you require, like 8 card number, CVV number, submit. So booking sucks. After paying, we are not getting button like pay. So view post fertilizers booking like pay. Here also for n hours, 2 hours, card number, and my CVV. Okay, so while paying the amount, while accepting the bookie, that farmer will get the email notification. Okay, So your product will be delivered on these dates, or your product will be delivered on these days, like that they will get any SMS. So by like this application is very useful for the rental application. Thank you.